Hi, my name is Carol, and I'm a patient of Dr. Lee's. I have spent most of my life sitting in dentist chairs, one place or another. And my first memory of being in a dentist chair, I was a young child, and they didn't use any kind of painkiller. So my first reaction to the dentist was one of fear and not wanting to go. I have a cousin who had terrible teeth and didn't have the money to have them fixed properly, and she had all her teeth pulled and just had false teeth, and I saw her struggle with that, and her face kind of caved in a little from the, it was really very bad, and I just did not want to go through anything like that.
Carol is one of my long-time patient. First time when she came to us, I just know that she has a lot of experience with the dentist. First consultation, I realized she has a lot of restorations inside her mouth.
The dentist I saw before Dr. Lee, I wasn't as comfortable with him. I didn't feel like he was as thorough, and he didn't like my jokes. When I would try to be friendly or talk to him, or he was kind of straight-laced. And so I consider myself lucky that I ran into Dr. Lee and became her patient, because she's not only competent, but she's easy to be around. There's just something about her manner, something about the way she presents herself and talks to you that is very relaxing. She has a quality of being gentle, and I've felt very safe with her. I felt no fear at all. I just really trust whatever she says or whatever she does.
Because of all these restorations inside her mouth, she's been suffering those failed restoration one by one, and really get to the point affecting her function, eating. So we started some extractions and dental implant replacement, and every time she has problems, now she doesn't even questioning whatever we suggest. She just really trusts me, and now she's very happy that I can do her dental care in the rest of her life.
She knows what she's doing, and that confidence, you quickly catch on to that and feel that from her. So I've been very, very pleased with the work that she's done. It's been a totally positive experience with her.